Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1965 Pontiac GTO. As you do know, 1965 was the second year of the GTO. Very popular in the classic world here today. Of course, the one we have here at Skyway Classics features a red exterior with a black power top. As you see underneath the dash here, that's where the switch is. The appropriate 5-spoke wheels for the vehicle. Has a little bit of a higher profile stance, but I think it obviously looks better. That way people can see the underneath and you don't have to attract so much dirt underneath the car. Going into the inside now, you can see is an automatic on the floor. Did a very nice job matching the paint on the dash there. You have the custom style door panels and the very nice embroidered Pontiac seats. Old-fashioned steering wheel. As you look at our cluster now, all our gauges are working. Our temperature is reading just under 180. You got the 2-knob FM AM radio. And as for the underneath of the hood, it has the tri-power carb with the engine code YC. But other than that, it is a very nice car. And if you'd like to see more cool cars, please visit skywayclassics.com. Take a look at our YouTube channel, Instagram page. But as for now, we're just going to get it turned around and up on the lift. So stay tuned to see the underneath.